Hey guys, and I hope you're having a wonderful day. I wanted to jump on here and officially welcome you all to my channel. I am so excited to finally be doing this. I have wanted to do this for years, and I don't know why I haven't just pulled the plug and done it, but I am now, and I'm having so much fun doing this. I can't stop smiling. I just love this. I am a lover of all things beauty. Makeup's my number one, but anything makeup, skincare, hair care, all of that, I love it all. I really do. I play with it all the time. I buy new products all the time. I have more product than any one person probably should. My collection is massive, even just for someone who isn't an influencer. I just love to try a new product, even if I'm only using it once. So I just thought it would be fun to go ahead and try out a YouTube channel and share the things that I love with you guys and interact with you guys and, exchange ideas in the comments and get your feedback and hear your requests for videos, what you want to see, what you want me to review, tutorials you want me to try, anything like that. I want to hear it all. I want to know it all, and I want to try it all. So I really did just want to introduce myself. As you can see from the name of my channel, my name is Crystal. I live here in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania with my husband and my two crazy dogs. You will probably see them at some point here in multiple videos because we call them Lazy and Crazy. Charger kind of just lays around, and he's our sweet boy. Caesar is our crazy man, and so you will probably see him because he's constantly running around and playing and being a puppy. But anyways, I just want to hop on here and say welcome to my channel, and I'm so excited to have everyone join me on this journey. So again, any video requests that you have, leave down in the comments. Any feedback you have for me, leave down in the comments. And I can't wait to go on this journey together and see where it takes us. So just so you know what to expect as far as a posting schedule, because I do want it to be consistent for you guys. As of right now, I am going to be uploading every Sunday. I do still work a normal full-time job, so I hope to add in a second video here at some point, just as I'm kind of learning and figuring out my craft and how I want to do everything. I do want to add a second day in. I'm not sure what that day will be or how soon that will be, but as soon as there are any changes to my posting schedule, you guys will be the first to know. Guys, have an amazing day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.